Okay, we got the Garmin installed, and we're doing test shots right now, and you see that one take off down the screen and go, and it just worked perfect, and we ain't worried about distance, we ain't worried about nothing but just testing the machine right now. Now, here's the issue we have, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I want it to work every time, and, well, when we turn on the heat, ours don't work every time, so yeah. Well, the one at my house is okay, but the one here is not. So we got a Mitsubishi heat pump, mini split. And when I turn it on, you're going to see what happens here in just a minute. So, yeah. I'm going to let him hit a few more shots and just show you that it's picking up every shot. Okay, guys, see that? Perfect read. It's going right down. Look at that, right on the screen. Now, we got the lights on, so the screen's is, pretty, doing pretty good for the lights on. Here, let me, son, you don't mind, do you? Let me do a quick light out.
Go ahead.
Okay, guys, see what we got right there? Son, you see the hit?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, right down the line. Got a little fade to it, just a little like you usually hit, and yeah, pretty. Okay, guys, now, so you there, you see what the screen's looking like and what that's doing. We'll just explain about the screen later. Now, let's see. Like a rocket. It just keeps me reading them one after another. Okay, now, we had the machine sitting around here, and you see it flashing right there. And yeah, we'll talk about the cover later. Okay, machine right here. We're working off of the phone. Going through the projector right there. And to right there where he's hitting that ball. Boom. Got a read. See that? Okay, perfect read. Now, ready? Watch this. Remote control for the air conditioner. Is it set on heat already? It should be, right?
Yep.
Okay, I'm just going to aim it at the air conditioner and turn on the heat. Okay? You see the flap opening up so the heat's coming on. Now, when the heat comes on, he's going to keep hitting shots. Y'all going to hear him hitting them. I'm going to keep showing you the output on the screen and all that good stuff. Sorry about that. Okay, there's the last shot he hit. It's opening up, and it's running the compressor outside right now. Well, compressor outside's running right now, but it has not started the inside fan yet. So, here comes the fan running now. Now, this thing's been picking up pretty much every shot since we started here, right? So let's look up here and watch it now. You see the green light on it ready? I'm gonna let the green light run a minute and let him just do what he's doing. Okay, pick that one up. Right down the center, about knock one of the markers down in the middle of the course. Now, just keep watching a second here. We're going to see what happens with this thing. It's going to reset itself, come around. He's messing up by now, ain't it, son?
Yep.
Let's see what it does. Just let him do a reset and come back to you. Where's that doing? Okay, now here we go. It's decided now it's going to do what it's doing. Y'all see this? Look down here. It took it about 30 seconds of the air conditioner running, but now we get red light, and the red light is locked on. It ain't going to do nothing. I don't care what you do. It's jammed up. It is jammed up. See, right there, jammed up. Nothing's happening. Right here, it's stuck and says calculating, and it remembers that last shot he made 2 ago. It ain't done nothing since, and it ain't going to. Now, that's what's going on. And it does it when that fan comes on, and it's been on about 30 seconds or 20 seconds or so, then it starts. Okay, guys, we let it run for a couple minutes, and it jammed and locked itself out. He's still hitting some balls, and y'all see it, okay? Just now it went back to flashing green, okay? You see? It's flashing green. Showing a ready, showing a shot. Okay, I done a reset on it. I turned it off and restarted it, and then it done this. So this has been one shot. Okay, it made one shot, and now it's after I reset it. Okay, it's finally come back again. Okay, guys, see? Yeah, y'all wondering about that screen too? We'll explain that again later too. Can't tell you all the secrets. Oh, it's calculating. What's it calculating, son? It wasn't calculating that ball, was it? It's jammed up. Now, okay, you ready, guys? Watch this. Doing jammed up, not working. We're gonna turn that off. Not gonna change anything else. We're just gonna turn it off. Watch. Okay, air conditioner's turned off. Now we're gonna let this thing get a second to reset itself. Straight down the middle. As soon as the air conditioner went off. Okay, now wait, let's look over here. Green light's back. It's showing the results. Green lit, ready light's back. Here. There. Straight down the course again. Boom. Well, that's a little right, but yeah, you don't hit them all perfect, but they're pretty close. Okay, guys, now what we're gonna do? We gotta fix it, because that's what it is. We verified that that's what's causing it, the air conditioner. And last night we blocked the wind off, the air off of it, and made it all go up real high away from the where it could get in the radar, and that didn't change it. So I'm thinking it's electrical. So we're gonna build a Faraday cage. That's what exactly we're gonna do. That means I'm gonna wrap it in chicken wire like the country boy does. So y'all be good, and we'll get back to it in a minute. See how it works. Let you know. Yeah, and don't judge us by the way it looks. It's a Frugal Fixer fabrication prototype. Yeah, we'll see later. So the mission for tonight is stop that from interfering with that. Okay, folks, we wrapped it in aluminum screen wire till we make a frame and make it pretty. This is to see if it works. So right now, he's gonna hit a couple of shots to make sure it's working. So it's ready, and read that one. Perfect read. Read that one. I don't know if the distance is right. We ain't worried about that part yet. We'll worry about that in a minute. 130 carry. Okay, 3 in a row. That's enough to let me know it works. Okay, for the moment of truth. Turn the air conditioner back on and see if it works. Damper's opening up, and our Faraday cage is in place. So he's going to start hitting balls, and we'll see what happens. Just see what it does. Okay, it's opened up. It's warming up outside. Still got the solid green flash. Went red on his backswing like it was supposed to, and then straight back to green. And it's giving us a result. And a screen, see? Okay, it's back to green. And the fan's gonna start in just a second here. And that's when chaos normally invokes. Okay, fan's just coming on now and ramping up. I got the fingers crossed, guys. It normally takes it about 30 seconds to go crazy once you turn the heater on. Okay, so far so good. Okay. We got a solid green flashing light. It hadn't missed a shot since the heat come on. Not one. Has not missed one. So we put a wraparound Faraday cage on it for testing. Now we're gonna make a fancy box and screen wired outside that goes on the wall to cover it with. So yeah, that's the permanent fix. But right now, every time. Reading every one, son.